I'm shook. The gag of it all. I look so cunty, don't I? Cunty. Well, we were not going to spill any tea today. The tea is hot, honey. The tea is hot. You can hang that on the nail. Shoot, fire, jackrabbit. That's all she wrote.
Mom, you're going to get murdered telling them where you live.
Oh, sorry. We'll
Just
have to
kidding.
cut that one out.
All right, ready, Ma?
Ready.
Hey, guys. What's up? Welcome to my channel. I have my mom here today.
Hey, glad to be here.
She came to visit me all the way from Alabama, and so we're in California right now. And I'm going to glamour for my channel because I asked you guys, do you guys want me to glam her, or do you want me to use a full face using her makeup out of her makeup bag? And it was like 50-50. You guys want both.
The gag of it all.
So I'm going to try to film both, but first we're going to start with glamming Mom. And first things first, we are going to address something.
The tea is hot, honey.
Mom, can you say the word oil?
Oil.
Oil.
It's oil.
It's oil. And can you say concealer?
It's concealer.
See?
I'm definitely from Alabama, can you tell?
The whole world says I say it wrong, but I just think the whole world says it wrong and we say it right.
We're right.
We're right.
We're right.
We say it right.
For sure.
And just 99% of people are saying it wrong.
Oh, for sure.
So, Mom, do you want to tell them, okay, so you're 59.
I'm 59.
Mom will be 60 in August.
I will? You're right. You
And
know my birthday. Yay.
Yes. You have 3 kids.
I have 3.
I'm the youngest.
She's my baby.
I'm the baby of the family. And I look a lot like my dad, if you guys are wondering. She has bright green eyes and lighter hair.
I do.
And I look just like my dad.
She does. She looks just like her dad. Her other siblings look a little bit more like me.
They look like her.
They really do. They really do.
I'm like the oddball in the family.
I live in the country.
She lives in the country, which you're from the country. Like in Alabama, she's like from a very country area.
Originally from way down south.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I had 5. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers.
And can we tell them their names? I love their names. So my mom's name is Joyce Ann.
I'm Joyce Ann, but go by Ann. And then my oldest sister's Faye Alice.
Faye Alice.
Margie Leaner.
Margie Leaner.
Shirley May.
Shirley May.
Billy Ray.
Billy Ray.
Donnie Ray.
Donnie Ray.
And Joyce Ann. I'm the
Joyce
youngest.
Ann. Was that all of them? Did we miss somebody?
Yeah,
my mom's also the
children.
youngest out of everybody.
I'm the youngest. I'm the baby.
Mm-hmm.
And she's the baby.
Mm-hmm.
And Tyler, her husband, is the baby.
Yeah, Ty's the baby too. So we have tons of
We're all
babies in our
babies,
family.
that's for sure. But I do love California. I love it when Laura brings me out here to visit with her. I enjoy every minute I get to spend with her.
Loves it.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
You did so good. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and jump right into the video, and we're going to start glamming Mom. Go like this. So first, Mom has a little bit of rosacea.
Well, we were not going to spill any tea today.
And so I'm going to put on this Stila One Step. This is a correcting primer, which to me isn't a miracle worker, but I think it does a little something. So we're going to use that to prime her skin today. We're going to mix it on up.
Have a few age spots around too, dark spots.
Yeah. Mom, what foundation do you wear every day?
I usually wear the IT Cosmetics, the little spongy thing.
Compact thing?
Compact, yes. That's what
I wonder if this is even going to be your color. I'm going to try this Hourglass on you today. It's really full coverage. Now we're done.
How beautiful.
So, Mom, when I started YouTube 5 years ago, you watched all my videos, even the bad ones.
Every single one.
Mom watches all the videos. She's my biggest fan, I think.
I watched your latest one this morning.
I know. I heard my voice playing in the living room, and I'm like,
no. Well, I've been on vacation here, so I haven't been able to watch it.
She
or
missed.
Would have already watched it,
She's
I promise you.
missed some content.
Had to catch up. I love to watch Laura, and I love social media because I'm in Alabama and she's in California, so I get to see her a lot.
Mom, what do you think about drama channels?
The tea is hot, honey.
Looks pretty good.
Cunty. I like that foundation. That's pretty nice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to add some concealer to the under eye. What concealer do you use? Do you use any?
Yes, I do. I've got several different ones. I have Maybelline, and that's what I've been using here lately. I have some Jouer.
You remember back in the day, you used to only use like Mary Kay?
Only Mary Kay.
Yeah.
That's right.
That was the cool stuff.
When I was a young girl, I went high-end makeup, and that was Meryl Norman.
Oh, I remember Meryl Norman.
I always use Meryl Norman. I would not just go buy the regular stuff. Even
You were
down
a
south,
glam
I was a
queen.
glam queen. I really did. Back in that day, even I did a lot of makeup, and I never would have thought that my daughter had grown up to make a living with being
You
in
never
beauty.
really, I don't remember having any rules about like not wearing makeup.
I loved makeup my whole life. I've always worn makeup, even, when I got old enough to start wearing it. And then when I started working, I started buying Meryl Norman because that was the thing at that time. Then later on, I went to Mary Kay.
She moved on to Mary Kay, which is actually like cheaper than Meryl Norman. But it was like more popular.
Well, my friends were selling it, so I had some friends. Yeah, so they taught me into it, and then
Mom got peer pressured into
I got peer pressured into it. So since then, I honestly, and I will be honest, I use what Laura gives me.
Yeah.
Laura gives me lots of makeup, and I work with children. So
Yeah, Mom's a daycare. How long have you been working with children?
I have been at this particular place for 20 years.
Jesus.
I have 3-year-olds.
And before that, didn't you like have a home daycare before?
I did.
And
When you were growing up, I wanted to be home with your children, so I kept other people's children in my home. She's a sweetie.
you hear Lou?
I hear Lou.
Always had a lot of cats growing up.
Well, always. And I grew up with cats, but our cats had to stay at the barn.
You had cats so they could kill snakes.
And rats. Because
Ew.
there was hay in the barn, and the rats would get in the barn.
Yeah, the rats would get in the hay.
I could spend hours sitting and playing with the cats. And we had chickens, and we had hogs, and we had a big garden, and dirt roads, and pickup trucks, and...
Mom, do you listen to country music?
No, ma'am.
That's so weird. You don't like it?
I like the old rock and roll.
She's a rocker.
Yes. I like Leonard Skinner and old rock. That's what I'll listen to.
Brow didn't look too bad.
Oh, no, that looks better than it's ever looked before. I look so cunty, though.
What brow pencil do you use?
I like the, I have a Benefit that I like to use, but I go to Walmart and pick me one out.
Yeah, you run out of brow pencils quick, don't
Quick,
you?
yes, I do.
Me too. I burned through them.
Burn through them. Laura had sent me lots, and when she came to visit Christmas, she gave us one. We've already went through those. Erin, her niece, gets a hold of them too. She likes them.
Erin has the best brows ever.
She has the best brows ever.
What is a funny memory with me, Ash, and Robert?
I think one of the funniest memories mostly is Robert is a little older, like I said, than they are. Ashley and Laura have only 2 years difference in them.
Me and sister were very close whenever we were growing up because we were only 2 years apart. We would get the Barbies, and I know you would always let us pick out one, and at Christmas time we'd get the Barbies that had, like we'd pick out the single Barbies, but I remember at Christmas time you'd get us the Barbies that had like the dresses with it, and like the big box of Barbie, you know what I mean? And then they had the skinny box that was like $1, and then they had the big box.
Absolutely.
At Christmas we got the big box of Barbies with like the clothes and stuff.
And Easter baskets always had Barbies in them.
Today, sorry, by the way, we're using Morphe 35F palette. Mom, whose code can they use?
Use code LAURALEE.
Yeah! On the palette. This is actually one of my favorite palettes from Morphe. It's really pretty.
It's so pretty. Of course, my favorite palette is Cat's Pajamas.
That's right.
You can hang that on the nail.
Mom, without telling them any names, what do you think about our next collection we're launching?
I think it is outstanding.
Mom loves it.
I love it. I absolutely do.
I think it like shows like a lot of growth in the brand and like shows a lot of new stuff we're coming out with. It's really cool.
And of course, me being her mom,
She's a little biased.
I'm very biased.
I
No,
give
a
Mom
little.
my collab stuff and she like saves it in a vault. She doesn't even really use it.
I don't. I have it saved. And if she gives me anything with her name on it, like she gave me makeup bags that has LAURALEE on it, I won't use them. I save them.
Mom has a shrine Which, Mom, I give it to you to use, but that's okay. You can do whatever you want.
I do use cat's pajamas, though. That one I do use.
See, you love the cats?
I do.
Mom wants to match today, so we're going to go with a burgundy. All right, close it up. Let's put it on there. Okay. You like liner, don't you?
I do.
I'm going to put a little bit of this new. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. I'm wearing this today as well, and I like it. So I'm going to put it on her. Open your eyes. It looks pretty.
I love liner.
Yeah, me too.
I've worn it all my life. My eyebrows never look so good. I'm shook. You did a great job on those. That is my biggest trouble. Putting makeup on, doing my eyebrows because they're very thin.
You plucked them for too long.
I did. Back in the day, plucking the eyebrows was the thing.
It was. I plucked mine off for so long, but I finally stopped. And it took me like so many years. And now I even still have to draw them in like drastically.
Yeah. So it just one of those things that I always thought you had to do. My sisters were the same way.
I think we all regret it.
Uh-huh.
So Ty helps me. And me and Ty have been together since high school, yeah?
Oh, yeah. And I love me some Tyler. Tyler came over almost every single day. Did
he?
Yes, he ate supper.
Oh, yeah. Mom's
Remember?
a cook. Mom likes to cook.
I cook, and I'm a very country cook, and
that's your specialty in life is cooking. I think.
And so Tyler would come over. I always knew make food for Tyler.
Yep.
I've known Tyler for many years, and before they even married, I knew they would, and he's very special to me. Except for Tyler tried to run me over, but you know.
Yeah, one time, Ty, so they were visiting in California, and we were getting in the Jeep, and my sister closed the back car door twice, because she didn't close it good, so she redid it, and Ty heard it, and he thought both car doors closed in the back, so Mom was halfway, stepped up on the car.
I was hanging over dear life.
Tyler drove off.
Dragging his mother-in-law. But I have to tease him now all the time.
You
always tease him. And I'm very fond of his parents.
Yeah, they're so sweet.
They're so sweet. When Tyler and Laura visit, we usually have cookouts all together. We all get together with his parents and
go to there. All right, let's set it. Close your eyes.
That smells good.
Mac Fix Plus. All right, Mom, I think we're finished. You look good.
Thank you. I look so cunty, though.
Your brows look laid.
I love my brows. Now that you've done them, I love them.
So, Mom, before we leave, I think you should say some terminology that we say in the beauty world now. So I'm going to tell you some words, and you're just going to say.
Okay.
I'm shook.
I'm shook.
You say it so country. Say the gag of it all.
The gag of it all.
Say cunty.
Cunty.
Do you know what cunty means?
No. I'm scared.
It just means it's like good. It's
okay.
Oh, you look so cunty.
I look so cunty, though.
The tea is hot.
The tea is hot.
Do you know what that means?
No.
It means like the hot gossip. So we call gossip tea.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The tea is hot.
The tea is hot, honey.
The tea is hot, honey.
So when Wendy Williams, does her show, she's spilling tea. When you spill the tea, you're spilling the hot gossip.
Oh, well, we were not going to spill any tea today.
Mom's got tea.
I got tea.
Give us a saying.
Give you a saying? What about you can hang that on the nail?
You can hang that on a nail. That is Mom's saying. So whenever she's like, that just is what it is, she said you can hang it on a nail.
I'm done. You can hang that on a nail.
You also say shoot, fire, jackrabbit.
Shoot, fire, jackrabbit.
Which also means fuck.
Laura. And another thing I like to say is, that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote. That's it.
Don't ask no more.
That means don't ask again.
Don't ask again. You're not going.
Mom, do you go on Twitter?
I do on my granddaughter's Twitter. I don't have a
Mom
Twitter.
stalks people through my niece's Twitter.
She got on my computer and put it on there, so now I look at her on there.
Mom, do you troll on Twitter?
What's that?
Mom's trolling people. It means you go around hating on people's stuff.
Oh, no, I don't hate on anybody.
I find my niece's account leaving hate comments.
But I have really enjoyed my trip here, and
Yep.
I like to go be back.
The way her name is Joyce, but we call her Ann. Or Annie Mae.
Annie Mae. She does call me Annie Mae or Mama Bird.
Mama Bird.
They call me that because I'm always pecking at them. Peck, peck, peck.
So if you guys want to see Mama Bird back on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Leave her a comment down in the comment section, which I probably won't allow you to read.
They'll be like, what rock did your mom climb out of?
Well, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all over in our next video.
Bye.
Bye. Good job.
All right. Think you'll be able to use any of that? That's all she wrote.